Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to blur background in Photoshop. So first make a copy and then make another copy, and then you need to apply the blur filter on the first copy you make. So go filters, blur, and I will choose lens blur. And now adjust the blur according to how much blurred background you want. Now select the other layer and choose history brush, and now decrease the opacity of the third layer to around 40 to 60%. Now the level of blurriness is just perfect for me. Now start drawing on the second layer. History brush does like you have edited some photo and you want to recover that, so wherever you draw with the history brush it will recover. So now draw on the second layer, so it will remove the blur from the area you draw on, like this. First cover the boundaries and then you can fill the inner area. Now when you have drawn upon all the main areas, create a new file, and then you have to create a pointed brush. So for creating a pointed brush, first you have to make a pointed figure like this. I'm using pen tool for this. You can draw or do anything. So when you're done making this, go to rectangle selection tool, select that, and then go to edit. Sorry, I'm in the file. Go to edit and then define as brush preset, and then you have it. Because this image have some pointed dust, so we're gonna use this pointed brush which has the pointed end at the bottom. So now it's complete, so you can see this looks pretty nice. It's so simple, you can easily do this. And thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like. And what should I make next? Please leave a comment down below what should I make next, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.